Hello everybody, this is my homework. The first is long vowel sound. E, sheep, sheep. There is a sheep. There is a sheep. There is a sheep. Eat, eat. I like eating food. I like eating food. I like eating food. Beat, beat. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. Key. I have one key. I have one key. I have one key. Sit. Take a seat, please. Take a seat, please. Take a seat, please. The second is short vowel sound. Oh. Six. I have 6 fingers. I have 6 fingers. I have 6 fingers. Fish. Do you laugh? Fish. Do you laugh? Fish. Do you laugh? Fish. Leave. I'm leaving now in Hanoi. I'm leaving now in Hanoi. I'm leaving now in Hanoi. Since I have been here since 2000. I have been here since 2000. I have been here since 2000. Tickets. Please give me this ticket. Please give me this ticket. Please give me this ticket. Minutes. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Thanks for watching. Nice to meet you.